This is Morgan from Clemens Home Solutions, and I'm asking you to vote this year for lower energy bills. Did you know that your old, outdated windows are making your energy bills higher than they need to be? That's right. Old windows use old technology that was not focused on saving energy. But windows have come a long way since then. Today's windows use special coatings and have better seals. And at Clemens, our vinyl window frames have better insulation for even more conservation. Plus, our chief window analysis says that with your projected energy savings, your windows can pay for themselves in as little as 5 years. In other words, keeping your old windows is like throwing money, well, out the window, and installing new ones is a vote for savings. So vote today for lower energy bills and see the change yourself. Call Clemens Home Solutions at 765-919-2222 or visit ClemensHomeSolutions.com. Also, stop by our showroom at 2222 South Madison Street in Muncie.